Hi there, Sandra here from Createinspain and Siser Juliet Beginners to Pro. Today I'm showing you how you can use a stencil design to make a card which is very pretty but very easy to do in pretty much one go. So what I've done here is I have cut out an actual stencil. It's a design that I did a while ago, but instead of using it as a stencil, I removed the stencil from the cut, and this cut is done on some Siser glitter PSV. PSV being pressure sensitive vinyl, i.e. sticky backed vinyl. You don't need any heat for this. I've got a piece of transfer tape. This one has a grid on it, and it's really useful at having a grid. So it is the same width as my design is tall. So I'm going to put it round this way. And what I'm going to do is make sure that the side which has got a really straight line on it, appears to be this one, goes along the top of the cut design. Take a squidgy it on. Comes in handy having an extra couple of centimetres so that you can hang on to it. Level with the edge of my mat. This helps to hold it down, and of course if you need to you could put something relatively heavy on there. So for example, I've got a pot here, I can put that here. And it's going to make it a bit easier for me to put the design in the correct place. So now that I've got the front of my card done, I've cut out a sentiment from some gold Siser vinyl. Now I've weeded out the little holes which are in the text, but I am not going to weed the rest of it like that. I'm going to do some reverse weeding because the text has got some very fine lines in it. I'm concerned that if I weed it from the front, some of those fine lines are going to get lifted. So I'm going to put some transfer tape over the whole thing. Press it down really well. I'm just going to use my nail, it's not a very large amount. And so now I can put my best wishes onto here. Now, I'm going to do this off camera because I need to have my head over the top. So I'll stuck that down, give it a good rub, and then peel away the transfer tape. And I'll keep that for use another time. What I have to do now is to put this onto my card, and I'm going to do that with some double-sided foam tape. Take some backing paper so this will not physically stick to it. It'll stay there, but it won't actually stick to it. And then you can use your scissors to cut a piece. And notice my scissors are not sticking to the tape because it's got that backing on it. The card is finished. So I've not only got the sentiment done in vinyl, I've got the whole card done in vinyl. Obviously if you want to change the sentiment, do something else entirely different. That's fine, but best wishes covers a multitude of things. That's it for today. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.